Hello guys. In this video, we will use the Bezier spline tool to help create the shape of a coffee mug design. Okay, so let's begin. First, let's add a point from the curve menu. Check the curve pen tool is selected and start to drag out the points. We can adjust and refine the Bezier handles later. Just click and then drag to move the handle at the moment. Make sure the final point is on Y-axis 0 location. Check this in the transform panel. We can now start to adjust the spline handles to create a profile that resembles the design. Select the handle point, then the V key for options. For a straight line use vector, I mostly use a line. Experiment with the settings to get the results you are looking for. The handle points can be adjusted independently. Remember guys, the quickest way to learn is to practice and experiment. For this handle type, I use automatic setting, which automatically creates the arc or curve. Continue to adjust and refine the spline. To add points to the curve, hover over the line, then press Ctrl and click. We have the Bezier spline drawn, which will be the profile of the coffee mug. Next, add the screw modifier, which is similar to a lathe. Adjust the settings. Also adjust the spline resolution setting. We don't want the mesh to be too heavy with polygons. Add a subdivision modifier. This creates a smooth surface. This technique is quicker and far more accurate than the sub-D only method of working. I like the fact that the polygon density can be adjusted. The technique is also non-destructive. You can continue changing the design as much as you like. Next stage, we create the handle. Think carefully how to position the spline. We have to join the handle to the mug at a later stage. I position the cursor appropriately. Draw out the spline, The end point will blend seamless with the base of the mug. Next, we have to connect the handle to the base. Here I use the bridge loop command, and it does a good job, but the vertices need adjusting to create a smooth transition. Thank you guys for watching the video. Take care and see you in the next tutorial.